I had a dentist appointment on the other side of town, and I rewarded myself with going to Goodwill in Brown Deer. It was very well organized in the front with some really cute vignettes. There were some things that I thought were priced way too high that I skipped. I grabbed this C to use to put classes on my wall, and I found some runners that I forgot to record. These are new. They had tags, but I took them off to stage them, and I only have 3, so hit up the website if you see something you love, like this hand-painted vase. Look at how cute it looks. This teeny cabinet was a good deal, but it definitely needs a paint job. The factory finish is coming off all over the place, and it's not good chippy. This little guy was brand new. He's just cute. This was apparently to put hair bows on, which I don't really have a need for in this shop, but they were different. I've not really seen this before. My daughter was not into hair bows. Am I missing something? This was cute, but too expensive. The book was cute, but too expensive. This little hello needs a spray paint job, and then that's going to be really good for staging for $1. I love this. Is from Creative Co-op. It's a very expensive company, and this is in perfect condition. A couple of bats. These will be perfect. This, I love this saying, so check out my website to see more of all of this stuff. I was moving fast because I needed to get home and eat. I was starving. This Goodwill is not that old. They used to have to bring everything to my Menomonee Falls Goodwill, and this one opened maybe 5 years ago. I spied this vase. This was a really good deal, and I think it's pretty retro looking and pretty gorgeous. I spy some mushrooms. This looks like this could be old, but I'm not sure if it is. I definitely need to give it a paint job, so stay tuned. We will work on that. This, I'm not sure if it's brass, but it is weapon grade heavy, and look at how we upgraded this guy already. I love this. It just needed a newer, fresher version of the paint job, and it will find a home fast. That Santa was cute, but he's a tree topper, and I don't need any of those. They feel very cheap and often are. I thought about getting him, but I didn't. This clock was heavy and metal and very cool looking, but it looked like it was not able to be opened from all the scratches on the back, so we put it back. And if you needed a bag of pine cones that were already sprayed for $5, that's not a bad deal. I already have a lot, and it just reminded me that I should get out my gold spray paint. Pink tags were half off, and I skipped this just because I don't think it would sell by me. Sometimes you have to pick something up and look at the back, and then you can really tell that it's cheap, and so I put it back. This is a really cool basket that I envision pumpkins in or some ornaments in after I get it cleaned up. I've never seen a jewelry box like this. I almost took it, but it just was a little odd to me how it didn't really have any place to hang anything, and I really didn't want to paint those little cubbies. I couldn't get this little acorn open to see what was in it, so I passed. I forgot a cart picture because I can't take the cart out at the store, but here's some more staged items in the shop. I spent 60 bucks and I think I got some really good stuff. Here's some peeks of other things I've been upcycling lately and some new gifts we just got in yesterday. You guys, this has been a really hard year for small business. Please, if you value a small business, get in and support them or they might not be around. They don't always tell you when they're struggling, but I'm here to say that a lot of them are. So find a time to stop in. We're open late on Thursdays, and I appreciate you so very much. Take good care. See you soon.